Hello, everyone. Hello, hello. Welcome back.
Hi, everyone. It's so nice to see you again.
How are you today? I hope you are feeling good, relaxed, and ready to learn.
Yes, maybe you are cooking, maybe you are driving, or maybe just relaxing. No problem. Just listen and enjoy.
Today's lesson is very important. Very, very important.
Yes, today we will learn how to talk about yourself.
That's right. We will learn easy personal introductions.
So after this lesson, you can say, "Hello, my name is, I am from, I like."
Simple, clear, and useful.
Before we start, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Yes, it helps us a lot and helps you learn more English.
Okay, let's start.
Okay, Donna, let's start with something very easy. How do you say your name?
Okay. I say, "Hello, my name is Donna."
Very good. Very simple. Let's say it again, slowly.
Hello, my name is Donna.
Great. Now I will say mine. Hello, my name is Wilbert.
Nice to meet you, Wilbert.
Nice to meet you too, Donna.
Okay, learners, now you try. Say your name.
Yes, say hello, my name is... Pause. Say your name now.
Good. Very good.
You can also say, I am. For example, I am Wilbert.
Yes, that is also correct. Very easy.
Let's repeat together, slowly. Hello, my name is. I am.
Now, next question. Where are you from?
Good question. I say, I am from Canada.
Nice. I say, I am from the Philippines.
Very good. Simple sentence. I am from.
Let's repeat. I am from.
Now you say it. I am from. Pause.
Great job.
You can also ask, where are you from?
Yes, let's practice.
Wilbert, where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Donna, where are you from?
I am from the Philippines.
Very nice.
Okay, learners, now you answer. Where are you from? Pause.
Good. Keep practicing.
Okay, next, age. But be careful. Some people don't like this question. Laughs.
Yes, that's true. Laughs. But we can still learn it.
You can say, I am 25 years old.
Or, I am 30 years old.
Let's repeat. I am years old.
Now you try. Pause.
Nice.
You can also ask, how old are you?
But remember, use it carefully. Laughs.
Now let's talk about work or study.
Yes, this is very useful.
You can say, I am a teacher. I am a student. I am a driver.
Or, I work as a nurse. I work as a chef.
Let's repeat one simple sentence.
I am a...
Now you try. I am a... Pause.
Great.
Wilbert, what do you do? I am a teacher. Donna, what do you do?
I am a student.
Nice.
Now the fun part. Hobbies.
Yes. What do you like to do?
I like watching movies. I like cooking. And I like sleeping. Laughs.
Sleeping is the best hobby. Laughs.
Yes, very important hobby. Laughs.
I like reading books. I like listening to music. And I like walking.
Nice.
Simple sentence. I like.
Let's repeat. I like.
Now you try. What do you like? Pause.
Very good.
You can also say, I like cooking. I like music. I like English.
Yes, I hope you like English. Laughs.
Now let's make a full introduction.
Yes, listen carefully.
Hello, my name is Wilbert. I am from Canada. I am a teacher. I like reading books.
Very good. Now mine. Hello, my name is Donna. I am from the Philippines. I am a student. I like cooking and watching movies.
Great.
Now you try. Say your full introduction.
Yes, say, hello, my name is, I am from, I am a, I like.
Take your time. Pause.
Good job. That's amazing.
Let's do a real conversation.
Yes, listen and repeat. Hello, my name is Wilbert. What is your name?
Hello, my name is Donna.
Nice to meet you, Donna.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from the Philippines. How about you?
I am from Canada.
What do you do?
I am a teacher. And you?
I am a student.
What do you like?
I like cooking and watching movies.
Nice. I like reading books.
Now you try. Answer the questions.
What is your name?
Where are you from?
What do you do?
What do you like?
Excellent.
Now let's repeat important sentences.
Yes, repeat after us. Hello. My name is. I am from. I am a. I like.
Again, hello. My name is. I am from. I am a. I like.
One more time, slow and clear. Hello. My name is. I am from. I am a. I like.
Wilbert, can I say, I like eating pizza every day?
Yes, you can, but maybe not healthy.
Oh no. Okay, I like salad too. Sometimes, maybe.
Sometimes is okay.
English is fun, right?
Yes, learning English should be fun and easy.
Great job today, everyone. You did amazing.
Now you can introduce yourself in English.
Keep practicing every day.
Speak slowly, speak clearly, and don't be afraid.
Before you go, tell us in the comments.
What is your name and where are you from?
Yes, we want to know you.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, keep learning.